Adapt Stoma powder is used to absorb moisture from broken skin around the stoma. This allows the skin barrier to adhere properly so the skin can heal.
To use Adapt Stoma powder, first wash and dry your skin. Apply a small amount of Adapt Stoma powder to the irritated skin. Gently brush away any excess powder. Then, apply your pouching system as usual.
Stop using powder when your skin is no longer broken and moist to the touch.
Adapt Stoma powder is not designed to prevent skin irritation. Broken or irritated skin should be evaluated by a healthcare professional. If your skin does not improve or gets worse, stop using the powder and contact a healthcare professional.
You may use a skin protective wipe over the Adapt Stoma powder, but this is optional. If you have questions, contact your WOC or ET nurse.